If you're running into a Lucidchart SSO error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. Whether you're using Google SSO, Microsoft Entra ID, or another sign-in provider, this guide will help you isolate the problem and get back into your account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. The first thing you want to do is determine whether the issue is caused by your browser or by your actual sign-in setup. To do that, open a private or incognito window in your browser. This is important because incognito mode gives you a clean session without most cached data, stored cookies, or extensions interfering. Once the window is open, go to the Lucidchart homepage and try signing in again using your usual SSO provider. If the login works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is being caused by something in your regular browser session. Most commonly, that means a corrupted cache, outdated cookies, or a browser extension blocking the sign-in process. If it still fails in incognito mode, then the issue is more likely related to your account configuration, your organization's SSO settings, or the way your account was originally created. Next, if incognito worked or you suspect a browser issue, clear your cache and cookies. In most browsers, you can do this by opening settings, going to privacy and security, and then choosing clear browsing data. Make sure you select cookies and site data, as well as cached images and files. For the best results, clear data for all time, not just the last hour or day. Then confirm and delete the data. After that, close the browser completely and open Lucidchart again. While you're in your browser settings, also check whether third-party cookies are being blocked. SSO logins often rely on redirects between your identity provider and Lucidchart, and strict privacy settings can interrupt that process. Go into your privacy settings and make sure third-party cookies are allowed, at least for this login flow. If your browser has enhanced tracking protection or strict anti-tracking settings, try loosening those temporarily and test the login again. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Ad blockers, password managers, privacy tools, and VPN extensions can sometimes interfere with authentication redirects. If you have any extensions enabled, temporarily disable them and refresh Lucidchart. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it for a moment and try again. Then test the SSO login once more. If that solves the problem, re-enable your extensions one by one so you can identify the exact one causing the conflict. Another really important thing to check is whether you're using the correct sign-in method for the account. Lucidchart accounts are often tied to the method that was used when the account was first created. So if your account was originally made with Google SSO, Microsoft SSO, or a manual email and password, trying a different method can trigger a login failure. In other words, don't try to sign in with email and password if the account was originally created through Microsoft or Google single sign-on. To avoid that issue, log out completely, close the browser, reopen it, and then click the exact SSO button you normally use. For example, choose Login with Google or Login with Microsoft instead of typing your credentials manually. That small difference can make the login work immediately if the account is locked to a specific provider. If you're still having trouble, double-check whether your organization's admin settings or security settings have changed. In some environments, the Lucid admin panel or identity provider configuration may need to allow the connection properly. If you manage the account or have access to your IT team, confirm that the SSO setup, redirect permissions, and user access are all enabled correctly. At this point, if the issue is still not resolved, try signing in from a different browser or a different device. This helps confirm whether the problem is local to one browser profile or something broader. A fresh browser profile can also be a useful test if you want to narrow things down further. So to recap, first test in incognito, then clear cache and cookies, allow third-party cookies, disable extensions and VPNs, and make sure you're using the same SSO method that was originally tied to the account. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the Lucidchart SSO error quickly. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.